getting a storage quota exceeded error in Google Workspace and can't send or receive any more emails? When your Google Workspace storage is full, you can't save drafts, upload files on Drive, or even store new attachments. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix storage quota exceeded issue by walking you through the process of upgrading the Google Workspace storage plan. And if you need more help managing your account or have questions about storage options, call the numbers on the screen to get quick help from our experts. Alright then, let's get started. First, you need to open your Google Workspace account. Then, click on the Google Apps icon on the top right side next to your name initial. From the open list of options, you should choose the admin option. Once you're on the admin console, what you need to do is click on Storage option. Next, you can check if your storage is full or not. If yes, then click on Need More Storage option to upgrade your storage. After that, you can choose a storage plan according to your needs and complete the process. Also, check if your problem is resolved or not. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help@emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.